These blueberry muffins are fragrant and incredibly soft. They have a fluffy and moist crumb, filled with vibrant and juicy blueberry pockets. They are completely plant-based, and today I'll show you how to make them. For the dry ingredients, I'm using whole wheat flour for a hearty texture and extra fiber, baking powder and baking soda for a light, fluffy rise, a teaspoon of cinnamon for gentle warmth, and salt to enhance all the flavors. Mix everything together until well combined. For the wet ingredients, I'm adding 1 cup of soy milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. You'll notice small curds beginning to form. The acid gently curdles the soy milk, creating a simple plant-based buttermilk for a soft and tender crumb. Next, put it in chopped Medjool dates for natural sweetness, sunflower oil for moisture and vitamin E, lemon zest for brightness and citrus aroma, and vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Finally, add the plant buttermilk. Blend until smooth, then combine wet and dry ingredients. Overmixing develops the gluten and can make the muffins denser, so stop as soon as the batter comes together. Now gently fold in frozen blueberries straight from the freezer. Keeping them frozen helps them hold their shape and minimizes color bleeding. Then fill the muffin tray evenly and bake for about 25 minutes. Allow the muffins to cool slightly, then run a spoon around the edges before lifting them out. They come out beautifully golden, soft, and filled with bright, juicy blueberries in every bite. I love enjoying these with a warm oat matcha latte. Bon appétit!